Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous question papers of Government Polytechnic lecturer including with answers. This is paper 1, Gender Studies and Mental Ability. Question number 1. On 13 January 2020, the World Future Energy Summit was held at. The answer is Abu Dhabi. Question number 2. The Finance Ministry of India in January 2020 said that now GST taxpayers can file their DAS returns in staggered manner. Answer is GSTR 3B. Question number 3. When is the International Mother Earth Day celebrated? Answer 22nd April. Question number 4. Identify the leader of Indian independence movement who belonged to the extremist faction and who was also called the father of Indian unrest. Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 5. In its 70th year of inception, Election Commission of India has decided to institute an annual lecture series as a tribute to the first Chief Election Commission of India. Dash. Answer Sri Sukumar Sen. Question number 6. As per the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014, there shall be allocated 25 seats to the successor state of Andhra Pradesh and dash seats to the successor state of Telangana in the House of the People. Answer 17. Question number 7. The Government of India Act dash allowed for some elected representation. Answer 1909. Question number 8. The World Tsunami Awareness Day is celebrated annually on. Answer 5th November. Question number 9. The Regional Integrated Multi-Hazard Early Warning System for Africa and Asia, a 45-nation international organization on disaster warning, has termed dash the severe cyclonic storm that devastated Odisha in October 2018 as rarest cyclone. The name of cyclone is Titli. Question number 10. The dash offers instant access to Google Assistant with real-time translation of 40 different languages. Answer Pixel Birds. Question number 11. The International Conclave on Globalizing Indian Thought was held from January 16 to 18, 2020 at. Answer Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode. Question number 12. If there is a sharing of power between the union and state government, it is called. Answer Federalism. Question number 13. On 23rd January 2020, India celebrated 123rd birth of anniversary of. Answer Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 14. India's first union budget was presented in the parliament on. Answer 26th November 1947. Question number 15. Dash was the first state formed on the linguistic basis in India. Answer Andhra Pradesh. Question number 16. Dash is the ability of quantum system to be in multiple states at the same time until it is measured. Answer Superposition. Question number 17. Identify the Middle East country that in January 2020 announced multiple entry tourist visas to the people of all nationalities to be valid for 5 years. Answer United Arab Emirates. Question number 18. A dash is a time-stamped series of immutable records of data that is managed by a cluster of computers not owned by any single entity. Answer Blockchain. Question number 19. Other than the districts from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana consists of region called dash with 13 districts. For this question, discrepancy is found in question and answer. So this question is ignored for all the candidates. So there is a problem in the question. So it is ignored for all the candidates who have written the exam. Question number 20. The state of dash has come without with a unique flood hazard atlas on the basis of historic flood inundation captured through satellite imagery over the period from 2001 to 2018, which is expected to help the state manage floods more efficiently. Answer Odisha. Question number 21. The Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad's Center for Healthcare Entrepreneurship Fellow Dash has launched a vaccination on wheels clinic in Pune in December 2019 in collaboration with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Answer Jignesh Patel. Question number 22. Dash and palm trees fringe the coastal plain of Andhra Pradesh. Answer mangrove swamps. Question number 23. Who was the first finance minister of independent India? Answer R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. Question number 24. How many wildlife sanctuaries are found in the state of Andhra Pradesh? Answer 13. Question number 25. On 17 September 1948, the Indian government conducted a military operation called Dash to assimilate the Hyderabad state into the Indian Union. Answer Operation Pavan. Question number 26. In 1952, who was elected as the Chief Minister of Hyderabad state in its first democratic election? Answer Dr. Burgula Ramakrishna Rao. Question number 27. The Indian Space Research Organization's satellite GSAT-30 was successfully launched on 17 January 2020 from Kourou launch base. What is the main function of this satellite? Answer telecommunication. Question number 28. The Department of Electronics set up within the Prime Minister's office foresaw the potential for India's exports in dash even in the mid-1970s. Answer software. Question number 29. Which river of the following traverses through Andhra Pradesh? Answer Pennar. Question number 30. The first Carnatic war in India was fought between the dash and the dash forces. Answer British and French. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more updates.